You are a software engineer, but are you really engineering a software? Maybe or maybe not. Hi, my name is Ras Masood and I'm going to take you through an amazing journey of developing an enterprise class web application from scratch. In this course, we are not going to build this or this. Instead, we are going to build this, a highly robust and scalable enterprise class application from ground up. On client side, we are going to develop a truly modular single-page application using Angular, incorporating some of the best practices and design patterns. Our server side is going to be an implementation of well-researched and matured patterns of REST APIs and service-oriented architecture in ASP.NET Core. And cloud is going to be one of the primary focus while developing this application. We are going to leverage Microsoft's Azure and few of its most amazing services. Imagine yourself getting a practical insight into most modern front-end technology like Angular. We will be working on Angular CLI, lazy loaded modules, state management using NGRX and Redux, NGRX and effects for HTTP communication, Angular materials for UI components, data grids with searching, sorting, filtering, server-side pagination using OData, advanced form validation, real-time updating of data using SignalR, live updating graphs using Chart.js, code quality, unit testing, and much more. On the server side, we will develop a service-oriented architecture in ASP.NET Core. We will start with RESTful controllers that will talk to dependency-injected services, which will communicate with the database using unit of work pattern, wrapped around implementation of repository design pattern, developed using Entity Framework code-first approach to talk to an SQL server in the cloud. We will use data annotations for server-side validation, ASP.NET Core custom middlewares for global exception handling. We will have multi-level logging, JSON Web Tokens for authorization, API security, API versioning and documentation, integration and unit testing, code quality, and so on. This application adopts the philosophy of cloud first using Microsoft Azure. We will use Azure Active Directory to authenticate from Facebook and Gmail, App Service for scaling and geo-redundancy, App Insights for diagnostics and logging, Azure Functions to demonstrate serverless architecture, Azure API Management for caching and security, Azure Key Vault for protection of secrets and certificates, Azure App Config Service for centralized app settings, Azure Pipelines for continuous integration, Dockers for containerization, Azure Repos for source control. Aspect Series is not just about delivering a code base. Instead, it will enhance your design approach and will help you better anticipate an enterprise-grade software system in future. For the list of these aspects and other details, please visit www.aspectseries.com.